Yo guys, how's it going? In this video tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how to upgrade PS4 firmware by USB stick offline in two ways. This method is universal and works for all system software versions. In this case, I'm trying to update my PS4 from 5.05 up to 7.02. First off, you need to download the firmware from the website darksoftware.xyz/ps4/fwlist. Select the firmware version 7.02 from the recovery list and download it. Awesome. Make sure that the name of the file is ps4update.pop, all in capitals. Connect USB stick to your computer. Format it with the FAT32 file system. Create a folder in the root. Name it PS4 in capitals. Open it up. Create another folder. Name it Update, again in capitals. That's really important, guys. Drag and drop the downloaded firmware 7.02 into this folder to make a copy. Great, all set. This first method doesn't initialize or, so to say, delete all user data or installed games on your PS4. It only updates the system software without deleting anything, so your data will remain all intact. But the second method, which needs to be done by the safe mode, deletes everything and updates the system software to 7.02. The safe mode method is used when the PS4 system software crashes and console can't boot it up at all, so there is no chance to access to the dashboard. That's why we need to boot the console into safe mode and reinstall the firmware with the same version or higher one. So you gotta be very careful, guys, that which way you want to use in order to not lose your installed games, saves, and user data. Alright, with all that being said, connect the USB stick to your PS4. Go to Settings, System Software Update, hit on Next, then update it. That's it. PS4 restarts and starts to upgrade the firmware automatically, and you don't need to do anything. The second way of updating your PS4 is from the safe mode, as I mentioned before. After copy pasting the firmware into the USB stick, connect the USB to your PS4. Turn the console off. Push the power button on the console to hear the first beep. Hold it down till you hear the second beep. Now PS4 entered safe mode. Connect the DualShock 4 using the USB cable, then press the PS button. It asks you to connect the USB stick which contains the firmware 5.05 or higher, because 5.05 is the last firmware that this console has it. So I already connected the USB stick with the downloaded firmware file version 7.02 and I pressed the OK button. The PS4 will be initialized. All user data will be deleted. Then it starts to install the new system software and restarts it back to the main menu. Because PS4 is initialized, you need to set it up from the scratch. Let's check the firmware version, which is 7.02. Here we go. Fantabulous. Thanks for watching and have a good one.